Marriage is an institution of divine appointment and is commended as honorable among all men. Therefore, not be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but discreetly and soberly.
I never knew such a day could come, and I never knew such a love could be inside of one.
You know the saying, good things come in small packages? That's definitely my sister. If you really know Reese, you know she doesn't play when it comes to a few things. Randy, take note.
I never knew till I looked in your eyes. I wasn't complete till the day you walked in.
I met Randy a few years ago, and he instantly became part of our family. He's kind, funny, respectful, loyal, a great dad, son, and brother, and all the things I could ever want from my sister and a husband and best friend.
And I finally met her, and I knew when I finally met her, he found love, and I just knew then she wasn't playing with it.
Randy. I know Reese's high-pitched voice of persistence can be overkill at times, but be patient with her. I promise she always comes around. She will fight to the death for the one she loves.
Sharese, Randall, you have found love that is truly remarkable. May your journey be together filled with love, happiness, and endless adventures.
Randall, do you take this woman to be your lawful wife? I do. Sharese, do you take this man to be your lawful husband?
I do.
You're one of the best gifts that God's given me, and I will cherish this with my heart. I thank God every day for you, for my life, and look forward to what God has in store for us in this marriage.
Our journey is just beginning, but we have already been through so many adventures. Some great, and others not so great, but that's all part of the process. The only regret I have is that I did not find you sooner.
Sharese, no matter what or how good the good and bad times will be, I'll always be there for you. And I promise you I will do everything I can make to marriage for this most beautiful journey together.
And in the name of the state of Tennessee, pronounce them husband and wife. And what God therefore hath joined together, let no man put asunder. Mr. and Mrs. Randall Woodard, you may salute your bride.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this
day started on a joyous and happy note, so let's continue with that and let's ride this on to the end. It's a joyous and happy occasion. Thank you.
Remember, you are stronger together. I wish you guys a lifetime full of happiness. Cheers to the Woodards. I love you both.
Baby, just say I do. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think